Hey, this is Sankalp and this is my video demonstration of the project 2, right? So as you can see, a variety of new features have been introduced. So let me first start with the best feature that I think it is. So as you can see that my process is on, the power on is on, the start button is on, right? And you can also see that, the part has been stopped over here. The reason for that is that the stamping part reset light is on, which simply means that the number of stamps left are 0. So that means we need to replace the stamp. So once we replace the stamp, let's just say we're going to put a stamp count of 10. So that means we need to replace it again after 10 counts. Now once I press enter, the system will start automatically. And the reason for that is because we are using the same display or the same tag for the number of stamps. So as you can see, as the number of stamps go on, right, it decreases in real time. There you go. Now the reason why this part went away, this is my second feature. So basically we have decided a good part and a bad part. Now if the weight is between 90 grams to 105 grams, the part is good and hence will be stamped. Otherwise it will not be stamped. As you can see, this part weight was 102.68. Now this is above 90 as well, so this is a good part and this will be stamped again. And as you can see, here are the tags, right? So number of stamps left. So till now, once we reset the count, only 3 parts were good. This is the 4th part, right? So the number of stamps left are 6. So my system has been running for quite some time. As you can see that the time since system on is displayed in seconds over here. So my good part count is 38 till now and my total part count is 58. I've also calculated the average weight of the parts and that can be displayed right over here. So for the last 59 parts, the average weight is over here. Now, there is also another thing that I've used in my program, that is the restamp PB. Now, this is a push button that if the stamping pressure on the good part, as only the good part is being stamped and not the bad part, if the stamping pressure on the good part is less than 95 psi, right, it will not allow the part to move forward. For that, we're gonna have to restamp. Now, apart from that, I do have pretty basic features, right, such as my fault light for the PNP horizontal cylinder and the PNP vertical cylinder. If any of these cylinders take more than 5 seconds to extend after the solenoid is on, you can see that the light will go on. Now, in order to reset the system time on, all we have to do is just press stop. The system will stop and then hit the start button again, and thus the time has been reset. At the same time, all of these values will not go off. They will only go off once we press the PBA button. Thank you.